Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, I mentioned we want to see the breakout of 46,300. As we can see exactly the price tag 46,300, but there was no breakout. That means we're looking for this resistance because I mentioned we want to see the breakout of 46,300 because we discussed based on daily chart, and we mentioned if there is a breakout of 46,300 based on higher time frame, the next level we're looking for is 51K. Okay, anyway, if we move to daily chart, this is what we have been looking for because we mentioned we're looking for continuation since the price was within this move. We mentioned we want to see the breakout of 46,300. As we can see based on 1 hour chart, this is where the price is acting as a resistance. We need to see the breakout of 46,300 if we're looking for, I mentioned if we're looking for the long term, we need to see the breakout of this zone. But the only things I mentioned, even when the price reach this zone, mostly we are expecting to get the correction at least similar to what we have here for continuation. That's why as long as the price haven't break this zone, we need to be quite careful because it can give us it can follow by deeper correction. All right, and right now we're looking for, we want to see whether the price can break 46,300 or not, and we want to see what we have based on forward chart. This is what we can see. The price almost since yesterday is here. We want to see the breakout of this. And if we put this stop in relative to a previous one, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why even if there is a breakout with a divergence, mostly we are going to get the correction at least similar to what we have here. That's why if we want to look for trade, for buy, we need to be quite careful. We need to be aware of that. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, simply we can see even based on 1 hour chart, we have a divergence. We are not looking for the reversal. The only thing is we can expect to get the correction. And right now, what we're looking for the breakout of 46,300. If there is a breakout of the 46,300, that means there is a breakout of this correction. Internally, based on 1 hour chart, this zone first I'm looking for. We can expect either the price tag 47780 following by 49K. All right. Now, how to look for buy? Either we trade based on 15-minute, or the another option is to put our entry somewhere around 46,500. But we should know that if we want to put our entry above the stop, what we want the price break, we want the price sharply break and continue. But having entry above this is really risky. First things, simply because as we can see, this one is acting as a resistance. Simply the price can take and drop. Okay, and even if we refer to the daily chart, we buying at the top of this correction. Okay, that's why having entry above this, if anyone wants to trade by having entry above this correction somewhere around 46,450 or 46,500, they need to be quite careful. By the way, right now what I'm looking for, I want to see the breakout of 46,300. I want to see the confirmation, and then from there, if we get any trade within this, we will take it. And the only thing is how to look for trade. Either we trade based on lower time frame within this correction, or we wait for the breakout. And again, having entry above this is really risky. It depends on the traders, their risk and reward, and their strategy they're using. But right now, what I'm looking for, the only thing is I want to see whether the price can give us a breakout of this level resistance, which is 46,300 or not. And if there is a breakout as a sharp move, we are expecting at the first the price reach this zone, then we want to see whether we can get the deeper correction or we can get the continuation. And right now, this is what we're looking for, because as we can see a few times the price tag, but there was no breakout. But still we're looking for continuation, and we can expect the price reach somewhere between 47 to 49K. Anyway, we just follow the chart, and the only important, right now I'm thinking this level is very important for us. We need to see the breakout of this to see the confirm for the continuation. And since we have a divergence, even based on forward and 1 hour chart, we should expect to get the deeper correction. And I'm expecting within this zone, based on a daily chart, as I mentioned, we are expecting to get a deeper correction for continuation. And even if we get a deeper correction after the breakout of 46,300, it can give us better confirmation for us for long term. Anyway, right now we want to see whether the price can break this one or this level or not. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.